If you guys have seen her review, because I haven't even watched her video on this palette, what does BK stand for? Because all I can think of is Burger King. Alright guys, so for today's video, we are doing this eyeshadow look using the Amrezy palette. If you guys don't have the palette, you guys definitely should. It is so beautiful. I wish it had more bright pinks mattes, but nonetheless, it is a beautiful palette. Alright guys, so I already went ahead and primed my lids using the Maybelline concealer, but I also did my brows using the ABH pomade in dark brown. So beautiful. I'm feeling like a blue moment, but I'm wearing pink, so first I'm gonna go ahead and apply some tape to kind of shape out a wing liner, and then I'll zoom you guys in and we'll get started. So I'm gonna start with OG right here, and I'm taking that on an e.l.f. It's just an e.l.f. brush. It looks like this, and yeah, I'm just gonna use that for my crease color. This has to be like my favorite ABH eyeshadow palette. Like honestly, the packaging, the colors, like it's just so beautiful. So now I'm taking New Yorker, which is this color right here. I know it's spelled differently. I'm not gonna say it like that and make a fool out of myself though. So taking that on the fluffy side of the ABH brush that it came with, and I'm keeping this on the outer parts. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take Semsa, which is this pretty purplish like plummy color, and I'm gonna go ahead and take that on the other end of the brush. So basically I'm just making a really thick winged liner with the color Semsa and just building it up slowly. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and take the other side, no additional product, and just kind of blend it out. Now I'm taking BK, which is this black right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and take that on an angled brush and line my lids with that. So now we're gonna go ahead and smoke the black out. So I'm going to use Semsa, so this purple shade again, and I'm taking that on a very like pointed brush. This is from e.l.f. and it is just called the e.l.f. Professional Eye Crease Brush. I'm not taking Semsa all the way into the inner corner. I'm kind of just keeping it like up to here. So now I'm taking OG, which is a color we started with, and I'm taking that on the ABH fluffy side brush, and I'm gonna use that to just kind of blend everything together. Okay guys, so I already finished the eyes for the most part. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take Cupcake. I don't know if I should cut the crease. I think I'm just gonna go in it like that and hope that it's like pigmented enough for it like to kind of do it on its own. I go ahead and take that on this BH brush. It's a really old brush, so I have no idea like what it's called, but it's just a really flat brush. Okay, I definitely should have cut the crease, but oh well, it's too late now. I'm gonna go ahead and wet my brush, and then hopefully that makes it more pigmented. We'll see. Obviously, if I would have cut the crease, it would have been probably what I'm looking for, but that's what I get for being lazy. Okay, the finger is definitely the best application. And I'm kind of just patting it and not really swiping. So now I'm just taking Semsa, that purple color, and just mixing that with the purple sparkly color. It really layers nicely, I will say that. Like the more I put, you know how sometimes when you put more eyeshadow, it kind of like breaks apart. Sometimes it gets like chunky in certain places. This is not doing that whatsoever. It's going on so smooth and creamy. Okay, I think that looks really pretty actually. It's like a really dark smoky. I like it. Okay, I like it. Alright guys, so I went ahead and finished my face. I also popped on some eyelashes. These eyelashes are from Amazon. So yeah, let's go ahead and finish the eyes and then we'll be done. So for the under eyes, I'm gonna go ahead and start with OG again. And I'm taking that on the same brush we used for the black. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take Semsa, and I'm gonna keep that a little bit closer to the lash line. Okay, that looks really cute. At first I was doubting myself with this makeup look, but I think it looks really cute. Okay, girl. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the same brush we used earlier for that color. I'm actually gonna go ahead and put that in my lash line. If you have a black eyeliner, go ahead and use that. I don't have one, so. And I'm kind of just gonna keep it on the outer part. I'm not even gonna bring it in. Like, we're gonna go ahead and take the brush we used for Cupcake, which is this brush right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and take Anastasia right here, and I'm gonna use that as my inner corner highlight. So we're gonna go ahead and finish this off by taking Wasted, which is this color right here, and I'm taking it on this brush from e.l.f. again. Alright guys, so that is it for the eyes. So this is the final eyeshadow look. What do you guys think? Alright guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I really hope you guys will come back for more videos, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!